Good afternoon all. This is Tom on this 4th of July extended weekend, and this is my personal computer here, which I installed Panel Pro on so I can play around with my layout. I have everything on my laptop in the other room, and I'm planning to put an expansion on my layout once I get this one all set up. I'm still waiting for some parts from China. One's coming today finally, I think. And so what I did on the left hand side, you can see right here and right here I added two turnouts, and right on the end they're edge connectors. And then I started another layout using Panel Pro, and that's over here, and those connect to this edge connector here and this edge connector here. So that's how you can connect the two panels together with edge connectors. And you have to have separate blocks on each side to connect it to. And then that circle is going to be my Helix. And then those lines, those run, this here track will then exit out and go down to the Helix. And then on the way back from the Helix, it'll come back and then enter and go up here and around. And then like the inside tracks can go across this double crossover and then cut over to this crossover and get into the Helix. And then the trains from over in this side of the layout can come across this crossover, come over, go this crossover, and then enter the Helix and go around. And then that's just a sample of what I might do up in the upper level. I have two ovals with some sidings on them, and I still have to figure out how to connect these two coming out of the Helix to here. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it because I don't know where I'm going to put this yet. And I'm going to just pause the video for a second and then we'll go into the other room. I'm trying out this pause feature for the first time, so if I lose you, I'll be back. So I'm back, and it looks like the pause feature worked. And there's the section of track there that I'm adding those crossovers. Right where that caboose is, there'll be a turnout there. And then up there where some of those cattle cars are, there'll be a turnout in that area there, and then they'll come over this way. And this section here of my room, I was going to put a Helix maybe right there in front of that part of the double door I have, because that's stationary. Put the Helix there, then go up and across on top of that air conditioner, which doesn't work anyway, and then across to there. That'll give me about 16-17 feet of a long upper deck. And I was going to put it on top of here, but with the mountains and the scenery and everything, I figured I'd rather do it this way across, and then it'll show up a lot better. You know, it'll be better. So I got to move some furniture around, and my workbench, I'm going to have to move that, and that's not a big deal. But these are just some of the things that I've been thinking of doing and getting it set up. So I don't have JMRI running on my laptop right now. I've been playing around with the other one in my layout. And other thing too, on this side I have a TV, as you can see it's on right now, and then if I put an upper deck on there, it would kind of be blocking the TV from view. And then my JMRI displaying up there would be hard to see. So let me know if you think that's a good idea. And you know, I'll have a lower deck on this side too, so that when the trains come across to go into the Helix, it'll go that way. And then there's my dog Harley. He wants to say hello to everybody. And there you go. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a happy 4th of July, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.